here we are in Rodeo. Do you care for luxury brands?
I like them on people who aren't myself, but mostly I like fake stuff. I don't want to wear a Rolex. I want to wear a Ralex, something that's just completely misspelled, something that someone in a dark alley sells me for $30. That's the kind of luxury that I really like.
Alrighty, I'm here with the Brit of Dr. Fashion.
Yes.
So Brit, I'm going to ask you some questions. There's no right or wrong answers, so don't worry about it. No pressure. Now, out of these 4 bags, there are 2 replicas. So I want you to look at that and look at my others. Which one do you think is...
The fake one?
Yeah, the fake one.
That's
the fake
because I don't really pay attention to logos and things.
Okay.
And if I was shopping and somebody told me that was real, I would be like, yeah, thank you. Honestly, between all these bags, I can't tell you which one is the replica. Maybe I might have to touch it.
Yeah. If you want to, go ahead. No wrong
I'll go with this one.
As a...
Replica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. Am I supposed to be able to tell?
No wrong answers.
Oh, this feels real. I'm going to say this one is not real. I don't know. I feel like it could be heavier on the strap.
If it says made in Egypt in it, it's fake. If it's LV made in Egypt, let me see. I'd say this is real. I'd say this is real. They will look real, to be honest.
Okay.
I'd say that one.
How about this one?
I'm going to go for no, because of the little number underneath the Gucci thing.
Hold on. I'm like, literally.
Here, I'll hold this while you...
Okay. This one's real. So let me just look. This one has the same thing. Okay, I feel like this is the real one because this is redder and it's shinier, and this has more of the like, hey, this is made by Louis Vuitton.
Okay.
Compared to this one. Like this one doesn't have that side thing that says made in Louis Vuitton.
The leather feels a lot thicker on this one, and I think there's a lot of things that you can fake, but maybe good leather is not one of them. These don't feel like very expensive leather products. I mean,
it's actually canvas.
it's canvas.
Yeah.
All right.
And people don't know that too, that this material is canvas, not leather.
I think this is the...
Okay.
First question is there anyone here that is real?
Yes.
I would say that one.
And then there's another one that is real.
There is another one that's real. Oh, I don't know now. The way the stitching is, it's like two-tone stitching.
And it's also, I guess this is the newest one out of them.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh, yeah. See, this one.
Yes, this is
this one
vintage.
looks like a little while.
This I use every day for the past 2 years.
Okay.
The hardware looks a little, it's like plasticky, flimsy. The gold doesn't really, yeah. More, I just basically the hardware. And this one feels super light. Yeah, this one feels super light.
Okay, I think this is the replica. What I'm looking for is anything that has maybe a little bit of a loose thread, or I'm looking for a seam that isn't perfect. But if I have to pick one that's fake, it's this one because of this, the inside.
Oh, okay. But real bags actually have that little seam too.
I don't think it would be popping up like that. I noticed things
So
like
like
that.
a little overlap,
Yeah, you're right.
you know,
here's
see?
a little bit of
a little snag.
yeah.
Out of these 4 bags, would you be able to tell which one is real and which one is fake?
These felt more fake to me, but they're like that old style to where it's kind of just difficult anyway, because it just has that older, vintagey, worn look. I mean, I'm not gonna be like checking someone if they walk by with it, like, yo, that's fake. Like, I don't care, you know? If it's a good dupe, it's a good dupe. I feel like this is fake. I feel like that's real. I feel like that's real. There should be something inside. I think there should be something inside that signifies that it's real. So it might be fake.
My ex-wife would be so good at this. I would not have a clue. This looks very good. I know she would look for the zipper and the lining and the stitching. I think this one is probably the original. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. The colors are more vibrant. The piping sticks out a bit more, but then again, less is more. Less is classier. So I don't know. I'm shooting myself in the foot. I think it's this one on the left.
Fake, fake, real, real.
Wow.
She look at my Chanel again.
I was comparing this to Dee, but I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Like I said, part of it is quality, but the other part is when you're wearing things that are name brand, it also is a status thing. Like if I see you wearing a $4,100 purse, I'm like, oh, she got money compared to my $10 purse.
Yes, you're right. Yes, that's not real. This is not real either.
Okay,
I feel like the straps are the only, like the weight of the straps maybe feel a little bit different. But I have this bag in a different print. Everything else looks the same.
Would you be able to tell if I didn't tell you?
No. If I didn't hold it and like walk around with it, I mean, I couldn't really tell regardless. I kind of want the link, actually.
Real, 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 fake, fake.
I had no way of determining this one, I gotta be honest. But I knew these were real because I've seen enough fake ones. It's not bad, but they're all practical bags, let's be honest.
I've been using this for 2 years and nobody
Yeah,
knows.
they're all useful bags. So.
Oh no. What? Wow. They did a really good job. I would be perfectly fine with this one.
Okay, oh my gosh, that's awesome. And like, I'm not trying to like fool anyone, I just...
Fully fool someone that this is the real one.
Am I right or wrong? This is the real one?
Yeah.
Then the fake one is better. Then I would put my money in this one.
This is the real one.
That is the real one. All right. Wow. Okay. So are you allowed to tell me where you got the fake stuff?
These two are the fake ones.
Those two are the fake ones. Okay, these two are the real ones. Okay.
I always try to not offend people, but I'm going to have to sometime.
If you don't go through life offending people, you have not lived.
Okay, so if you saw me wearing this, would you think like, oh, that's a brand name bag?
No, I wouldn't even care.
You're the first person to get it right. This is the real one.
Okay.
And this one's fake.
Okay.
Details matter.
To be honest with you, both of them look good. But
Okay.
As everybody know, as a man, we don't pay attention to all those details. So to us, it wouldn't matter. He over here looking like, hey, which one's fake? Like, we don't know. We don't care.
Real. Fake. Fake.
So the ones I thought were fake were real. The ones I thought were real were fake, basically.
Yes.
It's all a scam.
This is the fake.
That's a fake. See, I've got good taste. I have very economical taste.
Are you shocked?
I am actually, yeah. Wow. But then I did say earlier, less is more.
From afar, does it matter?
Probably not. I mean, you don't want to wear Louis Vuitton. You want other people to see you wearing Louis Vuitton. That's kind of the cornerstone of these brands. It's not to say it doesn't look good and it doesn't work. If I see somebody wearing LV, I assume either they make a lot of money or they are just really terrible with it. So it could go either way.
As you can see, no feelings or handbags were harmed in the making of this video. It was actually quite refreshing to get out in the world and talk to people about luxury goods. And as you can see, all ages, nationalities, income brackets had something to say, and we weren't fighting about it like people do on the internet. So as much as I want my audience to be style savvy, it's very important to be financially savvy, and you can enjoy luxuries as long as you don't overindulge. All of these luxury brands, as elegant as they seem, handbags, they are for hobbyists because you can get these things anywhere. So it really boils down to, does it fit your hobby? Does it fit your hobby's budget? Is it fake, real, vintage, in between? It only matters for you. If you like this video and want more content on the street, let me know in the comments. Furthermore, if you're still here and you wish to support my channel, take a look at the survey from Oversubscribe to learn how you can support the growth of my channel. Thanks so much for joining. Bye.